If you're managing client campaigns on Mailchimp, creating detailed reports for them is crucial. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create Mailchimp reports for clients and how you can provide them with all the data they need in a clear, concise, and professional way. By the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to impress your clients and make your reporting process a breeze. Before we dive into it, you should know that you can start using Mailchimp for free with our exclusive bonuses. Just click the first link below to grab your access. First off, let's talk about creating a report in Mailchimp. To start, you'll want to log into your account and head over to the campaign section. From there, find a campaign you want to report on and click on it. Once you're in the campaign dashboard, you'll see the option to view the report for that specific campaign. Click that and you're in. Next thing, once you're in the campaign report, you'll notice a ton of data presented in charts and graphs. The overview section will give you the high-level metrics like open rate, click rate, bounce rate, and unsubscribes. This is the key data you'll want to focus on if you're giving your clients a quick summary. The third thing, to dive deeper, you can navigate to the content section of the report. This will show you exactly how each link in your email performed. You'll see the click rates for each individual link, which is super valuable for understanding what your client's audience is engaging with the most. You can even break it down by location, device, and more. The fourth thing, if you want to get more granular with your report, go to the subscriber activity section. This will give you an idea of which subscribers engaged with the email and which ones bounced. You can even track individual actions like who opened the email, who clicked, and who unsubscribed. This data helps to show your client who exactly interacted with their campaign. Next, after pulling all this data, it's time to customize the report. You can change the date range, add or remove specific metrics, and even adjust the layout of the report to focus on the data your client cares about most. This customization helps to give the report a more personalized and professional feel. The sixth thing to keep in mind is that Mailchimp also offers automated reports. This is a huge time saver for you. Instead of manually generating reports after every campaign, you can set up automated reports that get sent directly to your client. This will help you maintain a consistent communication flow and save you time. And now, here's something really valuable. At the end of your report, Mailchimp allows you to export it as a PDF or Excel file. This is key for clients who prefer getting reports in a document format rather than viewing them online. You can also download the report for your own record-keeping purposes. Just click the Export button, choose your format, and you're good to go. So to wrap up, creating Mailchimp reports for clients is simple and effective once you know the key areas to focus on. You've got the basics covered with the overview, diving deep into content, tracking subscriber activity, and exporting your reports for client delivery. If you want to try Mailchimp for yourself, remember you can use it for free with our exclusive bonuses by clicking the first link in the description. This will not only save you time, but will also ensure you're delivering high-quality, data-driven reports to your clients. So, get started today and make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.